Hey guys, what's going on? So today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the Altec Lansing Mini H203 Bluetooth speaker. This little guy over here. I want to show you guys how to pair this guy to the iPhone 7 Plus. Now you can do this both ways, with the speaker first or the iPhone. Let's start with the speaker. So first things first, you want to do is get the speaker into pairing mode. And to do this, make sure that the speaker is completely off. And then you're going to just simply hold down the power on button over here. Just hold it down for about maybe 3 seconds until you see the blue-red flashing lights. You'll be accompanied by a voice prompt. So go ahead and hold it down and don't let it go.
Powering on. Welcome to altec Lansing.
Until you see this, all right? So now you can let it go. It's in pairing mode. And once you've gotten it into pairing mode, let's head over to the iPhone 7 Plus. Again, this works the same for iPhone 7. So go to Settings. Then you're going to go down to where it says Bluetooth. And power on the Bluetooth settings. And as you power it on, it'll search for nearby capable Bluetooth devices, and you should see Mini H203 show up on your phone. Okay, and this is it right here. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll hear this subtle little tone sound that plays when it's connected. Okay, so it's like barely noticeable, but you'll hear it when it's connected, and of course it'll tell you on your phone that it's also connected. And that's basically it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.